This activity is word chain. The question will be asked in this way. Complete the word chain of. Suppose here the example is complete the word chain of noun. Now you people will ask, is it a noun only? As I asked you in the previous question, in the related word, the related words may be adjective, may be verb, or may be noun, but mostly adjectives are there. I have seen so many examples, but I found that mostly they are asking adjective. But they are not telling, they are only saying related words. We people have to judge what they have asked. Here it is not like this. Here directly they are giving complete the word chain of noun, complete the word chain of verb, complete the word chain of adjective. Now we will see one example how to do this. By doing one example we will come to know. एक उदाहरण आपण करूया, त्यातून आपल्याला कळेल की हे कशा पद्धतीने करायचं. So come to the question. Complete the word chain of noun. It means you people are going to write 4 nouns. The word is given goat. The last letter is T. What will be the noun? Here noun is only expected. You know T. Can we write take? No, you can't write because take is a verb. And they have asked to write noun only. So GOAT, goat, T, tell any word, tiger. Correct, because tiger is a noun. Next, TIGR, tiger. The next word will begin with T. Here, the last word is T. So, the next word, T, tiger. Last letter is R. So, next word will begin with the letter R only. R, can you tell anyone? Suppose rat. R-A-T, rat. Clear. Now, here, last letter is T. Again you are going to write one more noun that will begin with T, and here is the confusion. Sometimes what happen, actually we know many words related to the T. We know the town, we know tiger, we know take, we know tamarind. So many different words. We know table related to the T. But that must be noun. Please keep in mind. So T is there. You can write suppose table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Correct. Table is a noun. E, last letter. Are we getting any noun? These 3 words are absolutely correct. But my dear children, if you are not getting the noun with E, you will not get full marks. And this question is there. That will give you 100% full marks. 10 on 10. My dear children, regarding this what to do? First of all, maybe on the rough page or maybe on the question paper with the help of pencil, you do one thing. First of all, write these words and then write in your answer sheet. If you are not getting the words with E, then you don't write this word chain. You don't write tiger, rat, table. You write something different. Suppose tiger and rat is clear and table E I am not getting. What you will do? You will change this word. R-A-T, rat, write another noun. Top. Suppose top is also a noun. So tiger, rat, T, top. P, write another one more noun. Pot. You may write pot, you may write pen. It's up to you. Is that clear? What I mean to say, word chain, it means write nouns only, and while writing the nouns only, first of all get clear all four nouns and then write your answer sheet. Is that clear? Okay, now go to the next one. Here they ask noun, the word is given speak, and if they have asked complete the word chain of verb, it means all the verbs only you people are going to write. Is that clear? So always keep in mind the last letter is K, and can I write kite? Because I know kite. If you are going to write kite, you will get 0 marks. Because what they have asked verb. It means all the four verbs we are going to write. So K, keep. K-double-E-P, keep. Correct. Keep. It is a verb. P, pick. P-I-C-K, pick. Or put. P-U-T, put. Last one is T, take. I cannot write tiger, I cannot write another nouns, I cannot write adjective, I will write only verbs. Because they have asked verb, the word chain of verb. Speak, keep, put, take, T-A-K-E, take, and E-E-A-T, eat. What we have written, we have written only word chain of verb. Be very serious. Please pay attention whether noun is asked or verb is asked. Go to the next one. Road. And they have asked complete the word chain of noun. Road is given. Actually, this was asked for the board exam. We have taken from the board exam. The word is given road. And the last letter of the road is D. What would be the word chain? D, dog. You may write dog, you may write dish, you may write anything. It's up to you. You have that freedom. Dog. G, goat. T, tiger. R, rat. First of all, write it on the rough page and then write it in the answer sheet. Is that clear? So this was very easy. Go to the next word. Deer. Suppose if they have not given like this and they have given only complete the word chain and they have not given noun or adjective or verb, then you have freedom. You may write anything, only meaningful words. You may write any word. But here noun, complete the noun chain. Go to the next one. The next word is deer, and they have asked complete the word chain of an adjective. In this case, all the adjectives only you people are going to write. Deer is given. Can I write rat? No, rat is a noun. Can I write read? No, read is a verb. I have to write an adjective only. R. Which adjective should I write? R. Real. Real. Or real. We can write real also. Real. L. Large. E. Can I get any adjective? Equal. Or eager. You can write equal also, or you can write eager also. Or you can write expensive also. It's up to you. Or you can write any adjective here. Suppose eager is there, or relax, reflective, or a red, simple one, red. Real friend, large bucket, red color, all these are the adjectives. So, my dear children, Here the question is complete the word chain of adjective. It means you are right, you will write only adjective. Mostly what will come? Mostly the word chain of noun or verb will be asked. But we have taken all the examples. This was the word chain of noun, verb. Again, this was the word chain of noun. It was asked in the board exam. And the last, it was the word chain of, last but not least, the word chain of an adjective. Is that clear? So my dear children, here we end up with these 6 activities. So like this, now you are familiar with all these 6 activities. From these 6 activities, you people are going to attempt only 4. Are you going to write attempt only 4? No. We are going to attempt all 6. All the 6 activities already we have seen. All the 6 activities are very easy one. So attempt all, you will get the marks of 4. So all the students will get 8 out of 8. Is that clear? Okay.